Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Reverts and marriage. Now that's a big topic. There are all kinds of difficulties that reverts face when it comes to marriage. Problems getting married. In fact, you can probably say that a lot of reverts fall into one of two categories: those who really struggle to get married, and those that have too many offers and feel under pressure to get married and maybe don't know even if they're going to get married to the right person. There are all sorts of problems with their own families, problems with their in-laws, some people who might have even become Muslim because of a relationship or a marriage that they wanted to get into. And that's just dealing with the things before marriage. After marriage, things like not having family support, what to do when the marriage goes wrong or if the marriage goes wrong, all sorts of issues relating to the way the expectations that people might have of you, cultural expectations and the problems people go through. So really, reverts and marriage is a pretty big topic. And it's a topic that I'm going to try to address, insha'Allah ta'ala, comprehensively, looking at before marriage, looking at choosing a spouse, looking at the problems that are unique to reverts in that regard, and then looking at after marriage as well, and looking at some of the difficulties people face and the problems people go through. And inshallah ta'ala, we're going to try to do this in a very comprehensive way in a webinar that is taking place on Saturday, the 6th of October, inshallah ta'ala, at 7 p.m. UK time. So I hope that you'll all join me there, inshallah ta'ala. You do need to register, and the details will be with this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.